Today on SIAM Speaks, we are joined by Mr. Rajesh Mittal, President and MD of Isuzu Motor India. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Mittal. And let's begin by talking about the recent decision by Government of India, GST rate cut. Many of the automakers have passed that on to the customers. You might also have passed on to the customers. So what kind of growth you are looking at? And so Diwali has come a little early then, definitely.
Absolutely. I think this is a very welcome move. And in fact, even customers deserve a cheaper vehicle because now road infrastructure is coming up so well. So everyone wants to own a car or a sophisticated vehicle. So this GST rate cut will enable people to buy more vehicles. And we are looking forward for a bumper Diwali. GST rate cut, yes.
Great. And second is, how are you contributing to Make in India efforts of the government? What all manufacturing happening, taking place, and what part of that comes from real Make in India products and components?
See, first and foremost is we are making the products in India and supplying to exports. So you would be very happy to know that last year we are the largest exporter of commercial vehicle from India. So we make same quality and supply to domestic market also. So that is one thing, that we are bringing a kind of a revolutionary change in the quality of commercial vehicles in India by doing Make in India with Japanese technology. Second thing, we are doing it with a proper process. Like our vehicles are produced by all diploma holders, and out of them 30% are women.
No?
So we are also driving inclusion and diversity. So we are changing the entire game, how it should be approached and how you can continuously secure zero defect quality. In fact, if you go by our brand positioning, Isuzu never stop. We really mean it. Our products don't stop. So basically our aim is to continuously bring latest technology products and not only make for India but to supply globally, because India's growth depends on the exports. Our market is Indian market, but if globe is your market, you can do wonders. So that is what Isuzu is aiming for, and we are very proud to become #1 exporter last year.
So you are providing the globally standardized product to Indian customers, and also in that we would like to know what new products you're working on, something very exciting you're working for the customers.
See, right now Isuzu products have a large imported content. So we are right now focusing on localization. So like powertrain, we want to make it in India so that it can become absolutely affordable like competition. Because right now, due to import content, our products are slightly higher than competition in terms of price. So our first focus is to make global quality at a competitive price. And then once we give that, then slowly we will start launching more products, which can be unique in its own way. Although already Isuzu products are unique, but we want to make it affordable. At the same time, bring new products which are changing the game entirely in this industry.
And so this time we have seen rural areas doing well, GDP doing quite well. Rainfalls are more than enough in certain parts. How do you see these factors panning out for the company?
No, I think they are very big opportunities for us, and our commercial vehicle D-Max, which is 2-seater and 5-seater, it is very well suited for rural market because it never fails. Once you buy Isuzu, you have to just forget it, and it performs. So rural customers are one of the key bases, and we are now reaching out to all farmers, panchayats to see Isuzu vehicles, and I think it's a very good opportunity for us.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.